guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time. I greet you all according to your time. My name is Confidence, a YouTuber based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. And for my old subscribers, I really thank you guys. You guys are doing amazing job on my channel. Thank you so much. Please guys, I would like you to give this video, even before you start watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, okay, and let me know your opinion under the comment section concerning this video. Okay, this video is most, let me say, is most request, like people have been requesting of this video, like, Confidence, when are you going to show us the remedy to cure this, remedy to do this one? But I was like, okay, fine guys, you guys should just calm down. I am coming. Let me just, like, okay, let me get myself first, then I will get back to you guys. So finally I am here with the ingredient and the solution for the problem. Okay, so a lot of people have been complaining that their partner is snoring when sleeping. So this video is actually, and this remedy, let me just put it this way, this remedy is actually for people that snores in the night. Maybe it might be tiredness. Some people put it, maybe it's tiredness, or it's just natural. They just develop the snoring stuff. They'll be like, they are a partner, they don't sleep at night very well because of the sound of the snoring. Okay, so this remedy is actually the solution to the problem. Okay, if you have a snoring partner, please do share this video to the person. Okay, be it a girl or a boy, be it a man or a woman, please share this video to the person. So what we are going to be needing for this remedy is, here we have ginger, as you all can see it, and here we have garlic. So what we are going to be doing for now, I'm actually going to peel them off. Okay, here is my knife. So I'm actually going to peel them off, then we'll go into the process, and I will show you guys how to prepare it. It's a home remedy and a solution for snoring. It also cure neck pains. Maybe when you wake up from the bed in the morning, you find out that your neck is paining you. Do not rush to the hospital. You can do it at home. You can cure it at home. You can just go to your kitchen. It's a homemade remedy for neck pain and snoring. Okay, so you just prepare it and take it, then you'll be okay. You don't need anybody to tell you to go to the hospital and do this one. No, everything is not hospital. You can actually do it at home by yourself. Okay, so I'll be needing much garlic. In this remedy. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm going to peel all of them off because you need as much as you can. Yes, you need as much garlic as you can. If you don't have it at home, please rush to the market and get it in quantum. Okay, so because this is just the main ingredient for this remedy, garlic. So yes, so then here we have the ginger. I'm actually going to peel off the ginger. We don't need much ginger, so I'm not going to make use of all this ginger. So 1 or 2 gingers is okay for me. What you need much is garlic. What you need much in this remedy is garlic. So by the time you are done doing this, you will find out that your partner will not snore again in the night. You will sleep like a baby without, stressing yourself, complaining. Baby, stop snoring. My wife or my husband, please stop snoring. Some people say there is no remedy for it just because they never tried, they don't want to ask questions around. So here is the ginger I'll be making use of. Here is the ginger. This three gingers is okay. As you can see, it's just too small, but it's okay for this remedy. Okay, so I'll be putting it inside the bowl so that I will wash it. Okay, yes. So as you're washing it, just like this. So right now it's okay. Now I'm going to transfer it into this plate. Okay, I'm going to transfer it into this plate. Here is my grater, so I'm going to grate it. Okay, you can use your knife if you want. You can use knife if you want, but what I am actually looking for will come out. You can pound it, you can grind it anyhow you want it. Okay, anyone that will be easier for you, you just do it. Okay, so I just felt that this one will be easier for me, and what I'm looking for will come out easy if I do this way. Okay, okay. If you are doing it with grater, please be careful of your handle so that you will not go and wound yourself. Solution for snoring. Here we come. Solution for snoring. Okay, your partner will not snore again. You sleep like a baby this time around. That neck pain that you always complain of, that neck pain, every time you wake up, you complain of neck pain. Every time you complain of neck pain, my sister, my brother, the solution is here. The solution to the problem is here. So you don't need to complain again. You don't need to take medicine. You just have to do it at home. It's a homemade remedy. Anyone can do it. So guys, I'm done with it. Can you see how it looks like? So what we'll be needing again for this is abonike rub. You can get it anywhere here in Nigeria. You can get it anywhere around the world. Yeah, so it's abonike balm. You can call it abonike balm, you can call it abonike rub. So here is rampart, we call it abonike rub. Once you just said abonike, people knows what you are talking about. So you will actually get it this way. Okay, so I just bought this one new, so I'm actually going to open it this way for you guys to see. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. This abonike rub is very, very effective when you want to even when you are having cold, if you're having cough, if you are having a neck pain, and also the snoring part. So it helps to reduce the pain, it helps to cure snoring, and also it helps to cure cold and cough. Okay, so I am actually going to put some inside the ginger and garlic. Okay, So I'm using this place because here we not enter. So I'm going to use this place to do it. You can see. You can put as much as you can. Okay, depending the quantity you are making at home, but it's just something you will use once in a day. Then you just have to, take it easy with the rub. Okay, so I'll be mixing them together. Okay, I'll be mixing them together. You can see how it looks like now. Everything is mixed together and it looks nice though. So what we are going to do now is we are going to pour hot water inside the plate. Okay, if you are doing this at home, you can make a big you can use big plate than this. You can use a bigger plate than this one I'm making use of now, so depending your choice. So I'm going to go on and pour my hot water inside. Here we go. It's okay. So you turn it gentle. It's entering my eyes already. Gentle. Okay, just like this. Then what you are going to do is, do not allow it to cool. Just dip your head, make sure your nose is inside. Okay, I know it will be a little bit hot because of the rub, the aboniki rub, and the garlic. So but what you just need to be breathing it in inside of you. Okay, so do not allow the water to cool before you just put your head inside. Okay, I didn't say you should drink it. You just put your head, dip your head inside, so that the all this the vapor will be entering inside your nose. Okay, do it at night. It's only in the night that you can do it, before bedtime. Okay, then when you now wake up in the morning, the only thing you can do is just to grind garlic. You put it inside hot water, then you drink. Okay, only garlic, you put it inside hot water and you drink. Maybe you can cut it, or you can just do it the way I just did this one now. Then you drink the hot water. Okay, but before bedtime, this is what you need to get rid of that snoring part and the neck pain. Okay, so please do it once in a day, before bedtime. Once in a day before bedtime, you dip your head inside, you allow the vapor to enter inside your nose. I know it is going to be very hot, yes, because of the aboniki rub, like I said before, and the garlic as well, but you just need it. Okay, please do it and come back and give me your testimony. I know you are going to thank me very well. Okay, so if this video is very, very helpful for you, and if you find it very interesting, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube, please join the family. Let's grow together. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye. I love you.